One of the characters of living beings is to produce young ones resembling their parents. This function comes under reproduction. Reproduction helps to continue the race generation after generation and helps to increase the population. Some animals like dog, cat, cow, etc. give birth directly to young ones, and these are called viviparous. Some animals reproduce by laying eggs. Such animals are called oviparous. Example: birds, snakes, fishes and insects. Insects are oviparous. The egg of an insect passes through different stages to become an adult insect. The eggs of cockroach are put in a case called ootheca. The grasshopper fastens its eggs into an egg pod. The mosquito lays up to 300 eggs in water which are glued together in the form of a boat-shaped raft. The egg of butterfly develops into a larva called caterpillar. The caterpillar constructs a cocoon around it, and this stage is called pupa. The pupa comes out of the cocoon as an adult butterfly. Fishes in general are oviparous, but sharks which live in sea water are viviparous, as they lay young ones directly. Frogs are oviparous. They lay eggs in water in clusters. The egg develops into a larva. Frog's larva is called a tadpole. This looks like a small fish. After undergoing metamorphosis, the tadpole larva changes into a tiny frog. The eggs of reptiles are large. Enough food is stored in these eggs for the developing embryo. The food is called yolk. The eggs are all covered by hard shells. Most of the snakes are oviparous, but Russell's viper snake is viviparous. Birds are also oviparous. Their eggs are large with large amounts of yolk inside. Ostrich lays the largest egg, while hummingbird lays the smallest egg. The female birds sit over the eggs to provide sufficient heat required for the eggs to develop. This is called incubation. The incubation period is different for different birds. The hen incubates the eggs for 21 days. Animals that give birth to young ones and feed them with their milk are called mammals. Cow, cat, dog, buffalo, horse, tiger, lion, elephant, monkey and man are all mammals. Almost all the mammals are viviparous. They are oviparous mammals also. The young one develops in the womb of the mother. This period of stay inside the womb is called as gestation period. The gestation period is different for different groups of mammals. Echidna, commonly called as spiny anteater, is a mammal that lives in Australia and Tasmania. Though it is a mammal, it lays 1 or 2 eggs. These eggs are placed in a pouch present on the stomach of the female and are hatched. Duck-billed platypus lives on the river banks in Australia and Tasmania. This is also a mammal, but lays 2 small eggs in a nest at the end of a long burrow in mud. Kangaroo is found in Australia and Tasmania. It gives birth to immature young ones. These are kept in the pouch present on the abdomen of the female and are nursed.
From this module, we have learned the basics regarding the sexual reproduction in plants and animals. That's it for today. Until we meet again in a very interesting science lesson again, goodbye and take care.